Well, hello! I'm still alive, unfortunately. Anyway, let's talk about plants. Recently, I've learned something rather odd about dog roses. On Borkum, one of the most northwestern islands of Germany, it's not uncommon to call these lovely bushes Hilter-Rose. That piqued my interest, since I was wondering how a plant could hate communism, Jews, and believe in things like the master race mythos. To my disappointment, these prickly pricks aren't secret Nazi agents. However, before World War II, the government considered Borkum a strategically important location and altered the form of the island to create a new port for the Kriegsmarine. That alone is probably atrocious for the environment. But wait, there's more. Additionally, many bunkers were constructed to house and protect the soldiers stationed there. To camouflage these bunkers, the regime planted dog roses. Therefore, the plant became known as the Hilter-Rose on Borkum. A little fun fact, in December 1934, 2 prototypes of the A2 rocket were launched there. They were called Max and Moritz and constructed by Werner von Braun and managed to be the first to fly higher than 2 kilometers. Which is kinda nice, I guess. But I digress. Let's go back to nature. Have you heard about Hitler-Tilia or Hitler-Oaks? The National Socialists planted them all throughout the nation to copy the former Chancellor Otto von Bismarck. If you look closely, that's a recurring theme with Nazis. To explain this a little bit more, in 1883, many oaks and other trees were planted because Martin Luther would have had his 400th birthday. These trees were known as Luther-Eichen. During the Imperial time, something similar happened to Bismarck. Many trees were planted to honor or commemorate him or the Kaiserreich. When in 1933, Luther would have had his 450th birthday, many people planted trees again. The Nazis then planted a little Hitler oak next to it. They wanted to make sure their Führer was all present and strengthen the personality cult around him. You know, I would have liked this video to be longer, but I ran out of weird plant names connected to German history or history altogether. So if you know any I could cover, write a nice comment about it. And if you want some actual biology, go watch Tierzoo or something like that. I am not really good at biology. I know that plants are green and sometimes they have little cool flowers and stuff. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe and write a nice comment. Also share this video with anyone who needs to know about Nazi plants. Until December or something. Maybe November. I don't know. Maybe I'll die. Probably not.